Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic WPS Office, how to blur text. In here I will create four text. We create a sample and I will change into center. You also can change for the text height. Now to make blur this text, click on word art in here and then use a glow effect. I will use this effect and we will go into more text effect. The next you can change color for glow. I will set into black and then we also can setting for transparency in here. I will click at these points and then for size you can set in it like this. Next we need to change for the text color. You can click in these options and I will set for this color. So it will be create for blur text in WPS Office. Okay, that's it. How to make blur text in WPS Office. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.